Okay, that's the GoPro Hero 4 with the front of the lens 40 centimetres from that box. I'm just doing some tests to see what the close focus distance is, so I'm going to move it now. Okay, 5 centimetres closer, that's at 35 centimetres from the box. Another 5 centimetres, so we're now at 30 centimetres from the box. And another 5, 25 centimetres from the box. And again 20 centimetres from the box now. Front of the lens now 15 centimetres from the box. We're now 10 centimetres from the box, and I can still read it on my phone screen and see what it's like when I view it full size. We'll try one more. Okay, that's the last one. I'm now 5 centimetres from the box, and I can see that's clearly out of focus, so we'll go and review that now.